Imagine this. A hacker is bombarding your server with thousands of requests trying to break in. This is called a brute force attack, and it can bring your website to its knees. But what if I told you there is a simple way to stop it? Let me show you how I used rate limiting to protect my server. So what is a brute force attack? A brute force attack happens when a hacker tries to guess passwords or exploit vulnerabilities by sending a massive number of requests to your server. Without protection, your server can get overwhelmed, leading to crashes or even data breaches. This is where rate limiting comes in. It's like a bouncer for your server, allowing only certain number of requests from each user. If someone tries to send too many requests too quickly, they get blocked. I used Express Rate Limit, a simple yet powerful middleware for Node.js. Here is how it works. Okay, so to implement rate limiting to your server, first thing first, what you're going to do is install an npm package called Express Rate Limit. So let's go ahead and do that. Npm install Express Rate Limit. So I have already installed it, so I ain't gonna install it again, but you go ahead and do that. After that, what you're going to do is you're gonna go to your backend, to your backend entry point, which in my case is index.js, and then you're gonna import rate limit from Express Rate Limit. So this is gonna allow you to configure your rate limit. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna say const limiter, and then we're gonna use that rate limit that we have imported from Express Rate Limit. So right here we're gonna put our criteria. So usually we say like a maximum of 100 requests every 15 minutes. So if they exceeded that, it's gonna say too many requests from this IP, please try again later. And so to use this, we simply do app.use limiter. So we pass it as a middleware. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's go ahead and try it. So to demonstrate to you, I'm gonna say the limit to 3 just to demonstrate to you, but usually we make it 100 maximum of requests. So let's go ahead and try it. I have my postman right here, so to my endpoint right here. So the hacker is gonna try to guess password, right? It's gonna put a random password. Sorry, it's gonna input a random password. It's gonna say wrong credentials, and then I'm gonna try to send another password, and then it's gonna say wrong credentials. For the third time, I'm gonna send a wrong password, and then it's gonna say wrong credentials. So by now I have finished my requests, right? I have already sent 3 requests. So if I send this, it is supposed to say that my limit is over. So when I send it, there you have it. It says too many requests from this IP, please try again later. It's as simple as that. Rate limiting isn't just about stopping hackers. It also protects your server from accidental overloads and ensures a smooth experience for your users. So it's a must-have for any web applications. If you are building web applications, don't wait until it's too late. Start using Express Rate Limit today and keep your server safe. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried it or if you have any question about this. And don't forget to follow me for more tips on web development and security. And remember, a secure server is a happy server.